welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a look with the new Morphe palette, the 35O2. These are all the lovely colors, and if you'd like to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright, so here's this lovely palette here, the Morphe 35O2. So this is what this palette looks like. All these colors are super pretty, and then it comes with this thing that has all the names. I'm thinking about writing all of the names up on the top here, so I don't have to keep this. Yeah, anyways, let's get into this. This is the first thing I've ever purchased from Morphe, so it will be a review slash first impression. And this palette is actually only $23. So it's not super expensive, super affordable, which is awesome. We're just gonna jump right into this. So, the first color I'm feeling is gonna be this color here, which is called Rich. Alrighty guys, then I'm going to go in with this color here, which is called Stone. I'm just going to put that below the color I just put in there. I'm just going to go back into the first color. And then I'm going to go in with this bright red color here, which is called Fire. We're going to put that on the lid. So far this palette, the eyeshadows blend really well. They're blending together very nice actually. The fallout isn't horrible. There's only a tiny bit. It's not too crazy on that end either, which is nice. But everything's blending pretty well. So now I'm going to go in over this super red color with the sparkly one here, which is called Ruby. Alright guys, now I'm going to go in with this color here, which is called Heat. So we're putting some heat in this. And I'm just going to put that in the crease as well to kind of blend the two colors, the brown and the reds, together. Take this golden color, which is called Pure, and I'm just going to put that into the corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to take the dark sparkly red one and put it under the lashes. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with the first brown here and kind of blend a little more into the corners. Now, I'm just going to put on my eyes real quick. So I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and make sure that an eyeshadow touch. Put on some mascara. And then while that dries, I'm going to do my lips. And then I'm going to take this Shimmering Naked Dolly Too Faced lipstick, which I've also never used. We're going to put this on. And I'm going to shape them out. It's almost a little too light, so we're going to we're gonna add Shimmering Spice Baby into it. Now I'm going to glue on my eyelashes. Okay, so this is the final look on my face, and now I will tell you about this little palette here. So I really like this palette. I think it is really good for the price. Like I said earlier, it is only $23, and you literally have this many shadows. There's like a bunch of really pretty colors in here if you like browns and oranges and reds and black, and even kind of some lighter colors. It's got a nice variety to it, so you can kind of switch up a lot of different looks with it, which is nice. The colors blend really well with each other, and you don't need a whole lot for it to kind of like, it goes a long way. If you guys want to try this palette out, I would recommend trying it. It's awesome for the price point. And who doesn't like browns and reds and oranges and golds and all that good stuff. The Too Faced lipstick, I like them. They blend really nice. They're really smooth. They don't feel too lipsticky, if you know what I mean. They like nice and like smooth, and they're not super sticky and icky and annoying. Like some people like that. I hate sticky stuff, so I'm not a huge fan of like lip glosses and stuff. So lipsticks, if they're really sticky, I try to like stay away from them. But these are kind of nice. They're really smooth and nice on the lips. And yeah, that is all I think I have to say about the things. You should definitely try the palette though. It's really cool and pretty if you don't have one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and have a good evening. Bye! Except it looks like something exploded.